Bismillah. Mga kapatid, sagot ko ito sa nagtatanong, sinong nagpasyahada kay Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Paano siya naging Muslim? Yang mga parents naman niya ay hindi naman Muslim. So sasagutin ko ito sa Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 1358 or 1358. Sabi dito, it is narrated by Ibn Sihab, the funeral prayer should be offered for every child, even if they were the son of prostitute, as he was born with a true faith of Islam. Dagdag dito, narrated by Abu Huraira, every child is born with a true faith to worship none but Allah alone. One word is fitra. But his parents convert him to Judaism or to Christianity or to Magyarism. Mga parents pala ang gumawa sa kanya ng ibang relihiyon. Pero lahat ng isinilang na sanggol ay by birth is fitra or in the faith of Islam. Clear?